Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger not sending messages. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing the issue that your Messenger is not sending your messages, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back from here and you have to relaunch your Messenger app and retry to send a message to anyone. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to keep in mind that the person has not blocked you, or if you are blocked by the person, so it's mean that you are unable to send the message, so you cannot send the message in any case. If you want to send the message again, you have to request them to unblock you, and after that you will be able to send the message. Or if the person hasn't blocked you but you're still facing the same issues, there are some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you have to scroll on your control center and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here, open your app store, go for search for Messenger app, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Messenger app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back from here and you just have to open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then again go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to send message to anyone, and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to change the person or the recipient. For example, if you are trying to send message to this one, or you're facing the issue that your message cannot be sent, so you have to change the recipient. So you have to go back and select anyone else from here and try to send the message and see if your message is sent or not to the second person. If you're facing the issue that your message has not sent to both of them, so you have to go back, or you can try to uninstall your Messenger app and then reinstall it. Keep a long press on your Messenger app, then tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete. After deleting, you have to simply open your app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Messenger, and you have to install this app again. After reinstallation, it will fix if there will be any bug or any malware into your Messenger app. It will fix in this tab, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.